Okay, now that we've built our train, we're going to assemble it. So we want to create a new document and we're going to make an assembly and just use a standard IAM file. Create. And first we need to place our base feature. And we select the base or place option. Find the part we want to place, and that will be train body. I have a couple of train bodies here. See which one I want to use. I want to use that one. Okay, open. Now this is going to be my base item. So I want to make sure it is grounded. So I right click on the train over here in the browser and grounded. And simple enough, we're just going to put all of our pieces on here. I'm going to start with the wheels. Place our wheels. Where is my wheels? I need 4 wheels, so I'm just going to make 4 copies of the wheel. Click OK. And we're going to do some constraining right here with this icon right there. And let's see, through constraint and apply, through constraint, apply. Now I'm going to flip those wheels around so I can work from the other side. Okay. There we go. Go back to constrain, through constrain, and make sure when you're selecting these that you're selecting the outer portion of the hub and not the other side. That's the other side that's, but we want the inside part of the hub here. And match it there. Apply. Don't forget to hit the apply button. I do that all the time and forget and mess everything up. Apply. Coming together. Next, I want to place something else. I want to place my let's see, my hex screws right there. I'm going to need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also going to be through constraints. Make sure that I get under these and select the right rim or the right circle I want to select. I want to select the outside part there. I want to select this one. Go down to the wheel and select the outside of the wheel rim, and same thing, apply, select here, there, apply, spin around, apply, oops. Let me try that again. I messed up and hit something I wasn't supposed to. Through constraint there. Apply. And there. Apply. Alright, so I've got my axle pegs in. Okay, next thing I can do is put on my cow catcher. Cow catcher 2. Alright, and I'm only going to have to constrain a couple of them here. First, I'll start by doing a through constraint on that top peg and make sure I get things centered up right in there. Okay. Now, any further constraints? Let's see. All right, and you see here I'm going to have to do what's called an offset to get it to go all the way down. And we're going to say negative 0, 2, too much, 1, 5, it might be a little bit too much, 1, 3, there we go. Apply. Now we can place, how about our smokestack? What is that? I don't know what that is. Stack, there's my yellow stack. This is also going to be a through constraint, because it is going into a hole. I'm going to select the inner portion of that rim to match up with the bottom portion of that smokestack there. And it worked. It's probably what I should have done here to the grill or to the cow catcher, but I used an offset instead. Okay, apply. Now we need, what do we need next? We need linkage arm. We need 2 of these, 1 and 2. Use another through constraint. We're going to set it right on there. And I want to make sure to select the reference point that is on the other side here, because that's, or actually whatever side I select is the side I want to butt right up there to that hole, or to the over the top of that linkage arm. So I can select here and make sure I go to the inside there and put that on. And that looks to be already there, but it's really not. Probably be able to move it, but okay, let me redo that. Okay, and again, there's the outside portion of the linkage arm. This is the inside portion where I'm selecting through the part. And of course I want to make sure I select the right part of the linkage arm. There we go. You got to play with that one a little bit. Okay, now swing over to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. Select the outer part here and then get close. Make sure you select the bottom portion of that peg. And then over here, okay, again, make sure you select the part that's going to mate up with the wheel. There we go. Apply. Okay, now the hitch peg on the back. Just need one. Actually, we're going to put the magnet first, but I'll go ahead and put both of these items. There's the hitch peg. I just want one. And here's my hitch magnet. Okay. Okay, we're going to use some constraints. Again, we're going to use a through constraint. And we want to get the inner part, the inner diameter of the magnet, and line it up with that hole. Apply, and then the inner portion of this peg to go right here on the inner portion of that magnet. Apply. And of course, I need some coloring. I need to do some coloring. So that is your train. Your next project here will be to create the train car. The train car you build yourself using what you learned from building the train itself to build your own car. Your car must be made up of at least 5 individual pieces. I recommend building the car base feature first, and then like putting some sides on it, and then putting some cargo inside of it. And of course, again, you're going to have some of the same parts on that train car as you do on the actual train engine. Say like the wheels and the hitch magnet and things like that. So enjoy. My next set of videos will be to make the train track.